Gucci, 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 Gucci.
This right here is Fiat 500 by Gucci. This is the official collaboration between the brands to celebrate 90-year anniversary of Gucci. And this specimen right here is extremely special. It's only had 3 owners before, super low mileage, just under 80,000 with receipts, and the condition of this baby is just Gucci. Let's have a closer look. Just have a look at this cute, fun little car. The condition of this car is truly unbelievable for this age. It's got a lot of custom Gucci things. For example, these rims were custom made for this particular model. Also comes with very nice interlocking Gucci logo and red color brake calipers front and behind. Just look at condition of all the chrome. It is super shiny, super nice. Obviously, the signature green and black Gucci. Over here we got Gucci. Behind here we also got Gucci. Let's check out the boot space. It's a compact car, so the boot space is obviously very compact, yet can put quite a few things behind for you. Let's close this. Now, it is even more impressive on the inside. I mean, look at this. Very beautiful white leather on your steering. The dashboard with white color. And the most impressive are the seats. We have interlocking G's on the headrest. 500 branding over here. All this is Gucci leather. You see, even your seat belts are Gucci front and behind as well. And now, let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very fun looking cabin, guys. I mean, 3-spoke steering wheel, obviously very nice, multifunctional. Look at the speedometer cluster, how cool. Your speed is on the outer rim, your RPM is on inner rim. Very beautiful, very nice. You can even see your gears as well. Your infotainment system, your aircon controls. By the way, the aircon is very cold in this car. This is your gear selector, very unique design. So in front we have a neutral. This is your reverse gear. And here we put either to automatic and manual mode. You can manually shift gears as well. We have handbrake that you can pull. All right, got a couple of cup holders over there below. Even a couple of cup holders over here for your rear passengers. Once again, have a look at this. How beautiful this is, how special, how well kept. Simply unbelievable. Also, this car comes with a sunroof. If it's too hot during the day, you can close the shade. Okay, you can also open the sunroof. All right, guys, have another look. Such a beautiful, fun car. All right, guys, this car is, wow, really fun. Such a head turner, and the condition is unbelievable. I was driving it last night, I was driving it today, and I am falling in love with this fun little car. On COE, we still got 6 years left, a lot of time for you to enjoy. The depreciation is super low at only 11,000 plus, even lower than non-Gucci variants. I mean, come on, this car, this deal is such a steal. You'll know what to do. Call me, and we'll give you a good deal.